Welcome to this RPost training video. In this video, we will review how to send an encrypted email for privacy. To begin, simply compose a message like any other. Add any attachment files or content, and simply press the Send Registered button on the Outlook toolbar. To send an email encrypted, press the Encrypt button, and you'll notice that RPost system automatically generates the decryption password required by the recipient. Another option is for you as a sender to create a password for the recipient to input into the file to open and view it. To make that change, you can simply go and press More, click on Options, click on Encryption, and uncheck the box RPost system generates random decryption password. Now when I select encrypt, the box is available to input a password. Now that I've put a password in, I press the send button and the message is encrypted right at my local machine and goes out for an end-to-end encryption service. If you receive an encrypted email sent using the RPost registered email service, you will notice the instructions how to open the message. Number 1, open the encrypted file and insert your prearranged password. Now the password may be given to you by the sender, it may be prearranged, preset, or pre-sent, depending on the sender's settings. So let's get started. Open up the attachment, and it will prompt you for the password. Insert the password into the field and press OK. Now the encrypted email will open up. And there's a few things to note here. First, the email body is inside the PDF as shown here. Mitch, thanks for your time on the phone today. Second, any and all attachments in their native format are located in the attachment area. If you do not see the attachments, simply click on the paperclip and you will find the attachments located there. The attachments may be opened without any password because the PDF as a whole is encrypted using an AES encryption method. You will also notice on the top right corner there is a red button that says Secure Reply. Click here. Once this button is clicked, the recipient may reply securely back to the original sender for a bi-directional encryption service. Thank you for learning more about the RPost registered email and encryption service. If you have any questions, please contact support@rpost.com.